Friends, today I am going to show how to make upma with moong dal, that is split green gram and cracked wheat. This upma is very good for health as green gram has good amount of protein and fiber, though it has some carbohydrates, and cracked wheat has healthy carbs. The other ingredients that are very different in this upma are jeera, that is cumin, it is good for weight loss and cholesterol, and coconut, that is rich in copper and iron, which is good for red blood cells. Of course, coconut is high in calories, so it's good to use in small quantities. Now, the ingredients for making this upma are half a cup of moong dal or split green gram, 1.5 cup of cracked wheat, 4.5 cups of water, 1.5 spoon of jeera, 3 spoons of coconut, 1.5 spoon of salt, 1.5 spoon of mustard seeds, 1.5 spoon of urad dal, that is split black gram, 1.5 spoon of chana dal, that is split chickpeas, small piece of ginger, 5 green chilies, 2 red chilies, 1 big carrot that is chopped, few curry leaves, 2 spoons of oil, and 1 spoon of ghee, that's clarified butter. Now I'm going to start making upma. First, heat the pan and add 2 spoons of cooking oil. After the oil becomes hot, add mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, and roast until they turn to golden brown. Now both the dals turn to golden brown. Now I'm going to add ginger, red chili, green chilies, carrots, and curry leaves. Now I'm going to stir this well until the carrots are cooked. Now the carrots are cooked, so now I'm going to add this moong dal and I'm going to stir for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add water. I'm also going to add salt, cumin seeds, and coconut, shredded coconut. And I'm going to cover this and let the water boil for about 4 or 5 minutes. Now the water is boiling, so I'm going to add cracked wheat in small quantities. I've turned the flame to low and then I started adding this cracked wheat. Now stir it well and cover it with the lid until all the water evaporates. Looks like the upma is ready. So the cracked wheat is cooked and also the moong dal is cooked. So when you pinch it with your nail, you should be able to break the moong dal. That's how you can tell that it's cooked. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of clarified butter and stir it. I'm going to serve this upma made with moong dal and cracked wheat with tomato pickle. Please try this recipe and let me know how it came out. I've already posted a recipe for this tomato pickle. Please check that out as well. Okay? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.